G'day guys and welcome back to the channel. This is AK and today I'm going to be taking you through a brand new apartment in the Los Balsos area of Poblado. It's so new that it's actually not even available for sale yet. This is a blueprint project and we're showing you the model apartment in this video, but the actual apartments will be ready in December of this year, 2025. This apartment is 60 square meters and it has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. It's completely turnkey, meaning you can move in immediately or put it straight up on Airbnb. And the kicker on this one is that it has resort style amenities with daily rentals allowed. So you can basically immediately start making 4 to 6% returns because it's going to be a very high demand property because it has gym, it has a pool, it has a co-working space, even squash courts, and obviously it's got 24/7 reception and security as well. The main advantage of this property only being ready in December of this year is that it gives you plenty of time to arrange your finances and make some down payments in the months leading up to handover until you have the full amount ready. Also, if this apartment's too small for you and you want something with 3 bedrooms, then we also have those available in the same apartment building, so just let us know. If you'd like some more info on this property or you need help finding something else, just click the link in the description, fill out the form, and someone from our team will be in touch.